Hi, my name is Sam Bana. I'm the CEO of Columbia Lloyds and Insurance Company. We're a property insurance company in the states of Oklahoma, Arkansas, and Texas. We needed a solution for VPN, which was strong, reliable, and has a brand reputation for multiple years in the open source community, and OpenVPN was a choice. Unlike a lot of other VPNs, not going into too much details, but when you look at Cisco's and you look at hardware solutions and various cloud solutions, none of them are as easy to use as OpenVPN. They offer a lot of features built into the tool which other vendors don't offer. OpenVPN Cloud is used currently in our corporate solution. It's very versatile for our end users and remote users to work. But one of our most favorite features is domain filtering. And additionally, we also have the restriction of IP blocks, which we can use for the end users. OpenVPN is probably a very good solution for any corporate entity because they give you an opportunity to buy the number of seats or licensed VPN connections, and it's scalable. That along, coupled with a minimum knowledge requirement for IT, any administrator or management staff can actually use that service and configure it without getting all the hardware integrated into the solution.